loves, it's Sam. So today I'm super excited to be doing another try on haul for you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys all of the pieces. You'll see them on my body in the mirror so you can see exactly what they look like. For reference, I am a size 6 to 8 depending on the brand as far as jeans go. And then I'm usually a medium on top. Sometimes a large, it just depends on like how the sizing goes, but most of the time it's a medium and then a 6. We're just gonna go ahead and get into the pieces that I got. So all of these are from JustFab. I am super duper excited because they do have an offer for you guys. They've partnered up with me and they're offering a really awesome deal. So if you click the link in my description box, then you will be getting 50% off the entire site, which is a huge discount. Like, that is so generous. So I really appreciate that offer for my viewers. So huge thank you to JustFab for that. That's a really big discount, guys. They have the cutest stuff on there right now. They have the cutest bags, clothes, shoes. I used to get JustFab back in the day, like years and years ago when the kids were still really little. And at that point they had just started introducing clothes, but it was mainly shoes and bags if I remember correctly. And I actually have shoes from JustFab that I got years ago. Same with bags. That are still just as good as they were when I first got them. Like, they're still in style, they're still really quality, like they've lasted a really long time. A lot of the pieces I've actually used over and over again and they're still fine. Don't mind my watery eye, guys. Daily struggle. Anyways, so the pieces are really nice, but now, like, I recently went and checked out the website to pick out all of this stuff. They have so many more options. They have so many clothes and they're so cute. You go and take a little style quiz and you get to pick out pictures of like, what kind of shoes would you like? If you were going out for a girls' night, what would you wear? And then they pick stuff for you based on that style quiz of what they think that you would like. And they got my style down really, really well, but they just have the cutest stuff right now. I'm like so in love with it. Was so hard trying to pick only a few. Like, I could have picked 100. There was so many good things. And each month they're always adding new things so that every month you can go and check it out. There's always going to be new styles on there. And if you sign up for the VIP membership, then you get special access to the discounts and sales that they have. So it's a really awesome way to find some really awesome things at a lot more affordable prices, especially if you use that link, because then you get 50% off of everything. You can go wild on there. There's a lot of really great stuff. And right now, like, their styles are just so cute. Oh, and also you are able to skip each month. So if there's something that is just not floating your boat that month, you can skip it for the next month. They will give you a reminder and say like, hey, here's what's in our new collection this month. And then you're able to shop it or you can skip it. The very first piece is this hat. Now, you guys know I'm like super into Panama hats right now, because honestly, when my hair is looking flat and crap on the top, I stick a hat on it. It's just like my go-to, like, pretty much favorite thing to do in the world, because I don't wash my hair every day because the color, number one, fades out super fast. So like every time I wash it, it's like, see you later color, have fun down the drain. So I try not to wash it very much, but then, you know, even dry shampoo sometimes can make you look a little flat on top. But I got this really cute Panama hat and it's just like a nice basic one. I don't have anything with just a straight up just solid black ribbon around. It does have like a little bow here that's like real simple. I feel like it's a very summer hat. Like, you could wear this with a lot of different pieces. You could wear this at the beach, at the pool, with a cute outfit. Like, there's so many different ways to wear this, so I love that. I think that's a really cute and very quality piece. Like, it feels really well made. So next we have some shoes. Oh yes, I remember these. These are so cute. So these are adorable. I love them. They're just like a nice short chunky heel, but still, what is that, about 2 inches? And then it just has the really pretty strap right there. Just very simple and elegant, and then the little ankle strap as well. I wanted something like this that I could wear that made me feel a little fancier, but it wasn't so high that I feel like I'm gonna die. So this is perfect because it's a chunky heel. It's still a little bit of height, but it has that kind of elegance to it with the front. So I love those. And then it's, of course, that really soft blush pink that I love so very much. Like, the whole site was like white and blush pink, and I was just like, oh my gosh, this is made for me. I am so excited about this situation. Oh, I'm so excited for this. My eye is watering so bad. I'm so sorry, guys. Every time I try new makeup, there it goes. There she flows. And today I tried something new, and of course my eye is watering like a faucet. Oh, and it has a chain. Oh my god, yes, this is so cute. So there was a bag like this that was on Topshop, but it was a little bit smaller and it was definitely more expensive. And I had it like on my cart forever and I was like, no, I'll get it, no, I won't. No, you know when you like keep on going back and forth like a nerd and you're like, oh my God, just do it or don't do it. Well, I did that for so long and I ended up not doing it. And it was a little small, and I think that's why I kept on having such an issue, because I was like, oh, I don't know how much is gonna fit in there. Like, is it gonna be annoying? So then when I saw this one on JustFab, it's so similar to the one that I saw on Topshop, and it's cheaper and it's bigger. Like you can fit, this is such a good size purse for the summer, because you could fit your phone, your keys, your makeup, your wallet. Like you could fit so much stuff, and it's like big enough, but it's not too big to where you're like, oh my gosh, I'm walking around outside events and my shoulder is about to burn off fire because my purse is so heavy. This is the perfect size because you can still fit, you can fit snacks, you can fit sunscreen, like you can fit a lot of good stuff in here. And then it has this gorgeous detailing, those pearls, and then the little gold kind of studs. They're not spiky, they're kind of like flat on the top. And then it just kind of twists open like this. And then, oh yes, inside, I'll show you how big it is. Gosh, yes, this is a good size. Look at that. So you have all that room in there. Then you have a little zipper so you could put your credit cards or license, whatever you need to put in. And then you have a little separate little pocket right here. Also comes with the gold chain. So I love this. This is such a beautiful little crossbody. I'm so obsessed with that. I love the detailing. I love the cream. I love the pearls. I'm so excited. Okay, next is another bag. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you all the bags first, and then we'll move on to the actual try-on section of the clothes. Now this is a blush pink bag, and it's slightly bigger because there are moments in your life where you need a bigger bag, ladies. Let's be honest here, especially if you have kids. You guys know I like to carry a bag inside a bag because I'm a bag weirdo. So I always like to have a smaller one and then a bigger one to keep the, like, even more stuff. So I got this one, and this is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I love it. So this is, it's got plastic all over it, but this is just a really pretty little tote. It's like this really gorgeous like blush pink, kind of like a nudie blush pink, and then it has the little gold detailings, and it's just a little like almost like satchel, like little shorter handles. And then, oh, I like that it has that little section here that clips. Oh, wait a minute. What a minute. What's going on here? Oh my God, so how cool is this? It has an inside little bag as well. Oh, it's like 2 bags in one. What a bargain. This comes out and you can put all of your, oh my God. Okay, so, oh, there's just more. It just gets so exciting. Aha, I see. So you can either have this big tote with this inside, or you can just take this out. It's 2 bags in one and I didn't even know it. And then you can put the handle on this as like a little crossbody so that all your goodies are already in here and you just take it out if you don't want to carry around the big tote. This is genius. This is what I do every day anyway. I have my crossbody inside my big tote and it's just so convenient, but this is already built in. And it's like this really pretty light pink blush with the gold detailing. You put your little handle on and boom, you're good to go. Oh my God, wait, there's more. This actually is like a full-on purse inside. I thought it was just gonna be like a little bag. But look, it has a zipper for your credit cards, license, all that. And then it has 2 little pockets for like your phone and whatever you need to put in there. So it's like a full-on purse inside of a tote, and then you can just slip that back in and boom, you have a tote and a bag all in one. Oh my gosh, that is amazing. I love it. I did not actually realize it did that when I got it, so that's like an even better surprise. Don't you just love that when you order something and then it's even better than you thought it was? This eye is so annoying. Can I just have an eye transplant? Oh yes, this is so cute. Okay, so this is another pink tote. You can never have too many pink totes. This one is a little softer. It's a little bit more buttery. That one's a little bit more kind of structured, whereas this one's a little just like kind of just softer and a little creamier. It's also a little bit bigger, I think. I think I could actually fit my laptop in here. That's exciting. Again, it has the shorter straps. It has the big tassel, which is kind of fun, and a gold zip, and the zip is nice and open. It does come with the big long strap, so you can have it as a big long purse or you can hold it as a tote. And then inside it's just like real open and loose and like easy to get into. This is just one of those things that you can just easily grab and throw a lot of stuff into because it isn't structured. It can kind of like open up and stretch. I do think my laptop would fit in here, so that would be really cute as well. So now I have two similar bags but very different because one is very structured and one is a little softer. So I love both of those, and I love those gold pops. So far, so good. Every single piece I love. I am not disappointed with one item. Everything is awesome. So everything is awesome. Okay, so the first piece is this gorgeous dress. It does have little tiny straps. I do have a bra on right now. So the strap is actually just like a little skinny piece. It's got this really gorgeous little ruffle detailing, which is very flattering, I feel like, because it kind of comes out and then goes in, and then it has that same matching piece at the bottom, which is really beautiful. Don't mind Moo, she's just like right in my way. This one is actually quite long, so I would have to wear it with heels. Probably some, I'm assuming like some 4-inch wedges would work, but look how gorgeous this is. It does have like a little slip on the bottom here so that it's not completely sheer. But then right where your knee is has this really pretty like opening of the detailing. It's just so beautiful. I really do love this little section though. I think this right here is just so pretty. This is what the back looks like. So see, the little ruffling goes all the way around, which is really cute, and then it's super duper long. So, oh, love this. This is so pretty. Okay, so next is this piece right here. It's a little bit wrinkled at the moment. I need to steam it first. I should have done that, but I literally just took it out of the thing. It's this really cute, kind of like, it's not quite cropped, but it's not long, and it's super flowy. This material is so soft. I love it. So here's what the sleeves look like. It has really pretty detailing, again, with all of that pretty kind of lace, and then those ruffles, and then it does have these little straps here, which is really hard to tie by myself, so they're looking a little cruddy at the moment. I'm gonna have to have Jay like actually tie them properly on me. Like, I think if I was gonna wear it out, I would have to have him tie it because I did not do the best job. But then it's like an off the shoulder, but then you still have those little straps on, which is really cute. And then I like this little ruffle like right around the kind of bust area, and it's just like super flowy. So again, lovely piece. I love this. This is super summery. This would be really cute actually to wear like over a bikini at this at the beach or pool, or just like with some cute little shorts. Actually, it does go really cute with these little ruffle shorts. Those are not from JustFab, but how cute is that? I love it. Another great white piece. Okay, next is this really pretty kind of like lacy, it looks like a tablecloth my nanny has. It's so pretty. I love it. It's like this gorgeous lace, and then the really pretty scalloped hemline is really beautiful at the bottom there. The sleeves are actually quite nice because they do come down like a little bit longer, which I like. It's not like super short, so it kind of covers that like wobbly bit. Oh my gosh, this mess over here. It's just a really nice, simple, like classic piece that I think you could wear under a blazer or just alone with some really cute, like if you're going out to eat at night and you wanted to have like some cute black pants and just look a little bit more dressed up. Or you could wear this in the daytime, like with some cute little shorts. It doesn't necessarily go with these, but like there's a lot of different ways you could wear this. You could also wear this tucked in with like a long kind of like flowy skirt. That would be really pretty as well. So I love this piece. I think it fits really nice. It's very structured in the top. I like the shoulders. So yes, another wonderful piece from JustFab. They're killing it. Okay, next is this gorgeous skirt. Again, it has like a little bit thicker material like over where your butt area is, and then it goes nice and sheer at the bottom, which I love. Like, look how pretty that is. And then it has like a little slit in the front, so it's nice and flowy. It just kind of like whooshes as you walk. So I think you could wear it down if you wanted to because it's stretchy, so it kind of moves, or you can bring it up and wear it more high-waisted. So yes, I love this. I think this is such a beautiful piece. Again, really flowy and just like so pretty for the summer. You could put this over a bikini top or a bathing suit if you wanted to, or you could wear it with like a cute little cami. I mean, obviously I would not be walking around in my bralette, but for thousands of people to watch this video, I will, because that makes sense, but you guys know what I mean. So yes, love this. This is, again, really flowy. I think I got a size medium. Doesn't say, but either way, this you could get, because it's $47.95. So that would be 50% off. So what would that be? Like $23 or something like that? I can't do the math right now. $23.50 20 bucks, around 20 bucks you could get this skirt for. It's so good. I love this. Last but not least is this piece. Now I added this belt because it was just a bit flowy. It kind of just like hung down and made me look a little bit tenty. So I just added like a little simple belt, like a really cute little pink one, or even like a cute little gold one would be cute. I think this one actually goes if I wore the right shoes with it. But it's gorgeous. I love this detailing right here. I think this is really pretty. It's got these like little thicker straps, which is nice. It's nice because it comes up high enough to where you're not like showing major cleavage. It's very just classy, I suppose. You're not showing too much skin, but you're still wearing like a pretty dress, and it's gonna keep you nice and cool. I love this bottom. You could wear this with some heels. You could wear this with flats as well. I'd probably wear it with my white flats that I wear every day. It's becoming ridiculous how much I wear those shoes. But then you have these gorgeous little, like, it looks like little flowers, like the detailing on the bottom. If you guys can see, it's like little flowers, almost like tile in a way. It's really beautiful. And then again, it has that little slip underneath, so it's not see-through right here, but then it is kind of more see-through and like flowy at the bottom. This would actually look really cute with the Panama hat. My buns are in the way right now, but like that would be really cute. And then just with some like cute little flats, or even some sandals. Or maybe you're going to a nice little kind of like barbecue or whatever. Like that's just a really pretty, very classy dress. Oh my gosh, every single piece has been awesome. Okay, so there are the shoes. So they're really cute. They just come with that little strap, and then that's the heel. So the heel is really definitely not too big at all. They're actually really comfortable. They feel nice and sturdy. I went ahead and took off the belt just so you guys could see what it looks like. So see how it's just kind of like loose right there. Just, I mean, I suppose it's quite nice. It's actually quite comfortable like that. I just think it might maybe not be as flattering like from the side. See how it kind of like pushes you out if you have boobies. This bag is so good. Oh my goodness, I love it. It is so gorgeous. I'm just like so excited for all of these pieces. I think they're so comfortable. Like every single piece felt really good. Like it feels good to wear it, but then they're also like really pretty. Okay guys, so there you have it. There is my try on haul. Everything I love. There's not one piece that I'm disappointed in. I think it's all really beautiful. Totally my style. Love everything. Like I'm just so happy with all of the pieces. The clothes, the shoes, and the bags are all awesome. So huge thank you to JustFab. I love these. They are just so beautiful. I know I'm gonna wear them over and over again. Like I said guys, like this bag, let's just like take a look at these prices. So this bag is $36.95. So with your discount, if you guys click my link, you can get this 50% off, which works out to be what? Is that like $18? Under 20 bucks, you can get this bag. So this one's 60, but you could get it for 30. This dress that I'm currently wearing, the 3/4 length one, is $56.95. So that would work out to be what, 28 bucks? So everything, I think everything I've shown you here, you can get for $30 or under with that discount. So be sure to click that link. If you guys want to save 50% off of anything that you see on the site, then you can save big. Like that is massive. I'm sorry, this eye is just becoming a real situation. It's watering so bad right now. And everything is such quality pieces. I've always been happy with the JustFab pieces I have. Like I said, I have shoes and bags from years ago. I think I still have some sweaters from JustFab, actually, some cardigans that I used to wear all the time, that are still really good shape. So their pieces are really nice. They are very quality. They're not just like cheapy little like junky clothes that you can just you wear once and then you wash it and it goes to poop. Like they're really nice pieces. These are gorgeous. I love everything. Everything is well made for the price that you pay for it. A huge thanks to you guys for watching this. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a comment down below. What is your favorite piece that I showed you here in this haul today? Also, don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed and found it helpful. Subscribe if you're new. Click that notification bell. What else can I be adding to this to make this spiel any longer? Click that link in the description box for JustFab to get yourself 50% off. You have to use that link to get that discount. So if you just go and Google JustFab, you're not gonna get that. You have to use that link. So that will give you 50% off, which is huge. Huge thanks to JustFab for partnering up with me for this video, for offering that amazing code. That is awesome, so generous. I really do appreciate it. It's always nice when companies like really hook it up. So I really do appreciate that. That is awesome. And I'm obsessed with all this stuff. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you guys all have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.